Konnichiwa! Welcome back to NihonGo Quiz, your fun destination for learning Japanese through quizzes. Today's quiz is all about places in Japanese written in Hiragana. Choose the correct English meaning from the 4 options. You'll have 5 seconds to answer. So stay sharp and ready to go places in Japan. Let's get started. First question. Time's up! The correct answer is school. Gakko is school in Japanese. What is this word? Time's up! The correct answer is hospital. Bioin means hospital. What is this word? Time's up! The correct answer is station. Eki is station such as bus station or train station. What is this word? Time's up! The correct answer is library. Toshokan means library. Don't forget to drop your score in the comments to see how well you did. Time's up! The correct answer is mountain. Yama means mountain in Japanese. What is this word? Time's up! The correct answer is ocean. Omi means ocean in Japanese. What is this word? Time's up! The correct answer is office. Jimushu means office in Japanese. Let's move to the next. Time's up! The correct answer is park. Koen means park. What is this word? Time's up! The correct answer is temple. Otera means temple in Japanese. Now for the last word. Be sure to get this right. Time's up! The correct answer is post office. Hyupen kyoku means post office. Great job, everyone! How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new quiz. Still up for other Japanese quizzes? Click here for your next challenge. See you there!